The TI-84 EVO starts in radian mode. Most high school classes use degrees, so we'll start by switching. Radian users can leave it as is. Press the mode key. Arrow right to degree, and press enter. Now, the status bar at the top reads degree. Here are the sine, cosine, and tangent keys, a couple rows above the number keys. Press sine. Type 30, press enter, and there's your answer, 1/2. Cosine and tangent work exactly the same way. The inverse functions, also called arcsine, arccosine, and arctangent, are printed in blue above each trig key. Press second, then sine. Type 0.5, press enter, and sine inverse of 0.5 is 30 degrees. That's it. More TI-84 EVO tutorials at calcplex.com.